Hi, I'm Laura from Pilates Process, and I have been working at home all day on a computer, 5 hours at a computer, which is a lot for me. I know it's nothing for many of you. And when I do that, I really do notice the effects on posture, the effects on stiffness in the shoulders and neck. And this is one of the quick exercises I do to try and relieve that when I only have a minute and, as always, very little space. I'm doing it with the little sliding discs. You can easily do this with just a cloth or a dish towel under the hands or a face cloth. You can do it just kneeling. I like to do it kneeling on a cushion. Partly, it's more comfortable, and partly sort of to be downhill a little bit, so there's a little bit more weight into the shoulders. Other than that, it's just a quadruped position, and I'm going to slide one hand, sliding the disc or the cloth underneath the other arm, bring it back to center, and then the other side, sliding that arm under, bringing it back to center, and alternating sides. I'm keeping the supporting arm straight, that supporting elbow straight, which is, I know, a little bit different than how it's sometimes done. Makes it a little less dramatic looking, but also a little bit more mobility in the shoulder, as well as the rib cage and shoulder blade. Nice to time this with breathing, so we can exhale, slide it under, breathe in to come back to center, transfer the weight, and exhale to wrap. Breathing in to come back, and sliding it under, and just doing a minute or so of that. That could be a really easy way to reset posture and reset the neck and shoulders throughout the day. Hope it's helpful.